What's up, my lovely people? So I am back with the solutions to those sentences you saw in the last video. So the first one is a ship shipping. Ship, ships, shipping ships. Let's break this down further. A ship shipping, compound participle adjective. Ship, noun, ships, verb. Shipping ships, compound participle, noun. If we want to simplify things, we can substitute the word boat as the noun and transports as the verb. The sentence then becomes a boat shipping boat transports shipping boats. The second one is James, while John had a better effect on the teacher. Here is a story to provide more context. Two students named James and John were asked on an English test to describe a man who in the past had suffered from a cold. John wrote, "The man had a cold," which the teacher marked as incorrect. James, however, wrote, "The man had a cold." Since James' answer was right, it had a better effect on the teacher. James, while John had written had left a better effect on the teacher. The use of the double had is called past perfect tense and puts the action further back in time, suggesting that the man had a cold but doesn't anymore. Got it? The third one says Rose rose to put rose on her rows of rose. Rose, a woman. Rose, the verb meaning to get up. Rose, the flower. Rose, the color. Rose, the fish eggs, in this case used as fertilizer. Rose, the lions. In this example we have homophones, which are words that sound the same but have a different meaning. A woman named Rose got up to put rose-colored eggfish on her rows of rose. The fourth one says, if it is it, it is it. If it is it, is it, it is. Only substitutions will be able to make any sense of this one. If A is B, then B is C. If the idea is that A is C, then the idea is correct. The fifth one says that exists in that exists in. The fact that exists occurs in a situation which this that exists also occurs in. The various forms of that affect this example too. We'll switch the demonstrative adjective that with this and the relative pronoun that with which. And when we have two examples of the verb exist next to each other, we'll change the second to occur. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and share the video.